Hey guys, Scooter Street here. We have a Vespa Primavera 150 in the special red edition in the shop today. Just doing a Variator on it for a customer, a Malossi Variator. So we've just fitted it up. We've tried a couple of different sets of rollers. The kit comes with two sets, a heavier set and a lighter set. The set that we've ended up with is the 9.5 gram set. But it's made a really massive difference. If you've not ridden one of these new ones, they're a little bit dull, but putting the Variator in has made it really lively. Alrighty guys, we'll go to the actual installing the Variator. There's a few tools that you need for this first, and then we'll show you a sped up version of the install so you can get an idea of what's involved. So what you will need outside of the Malossi Variator kit and the parts that they provide is a replacement cable tie for this cable tie that you're going to remove, roughly about 200mm, an 8mm T-bar or socket driver, a conventional screwdriver. You'll need a 19mm socket and a large 34mm socket, like this one here, to remove the 19mm for the Variator nut and the outer clutch nut just under this little Vespa cover, and the larger 34mm socket to remove the screw, the large nut holding on the clutch to the torque driver. So outside of that, just a couple of general flat blade screwdriver to pick this off. And obviously a rattle gun or a locking tool for the Variator if you're able to get your hands on one. So we're going to go ahead and show installing the Variator, removing the factory one and installing the Malossi Variator. We've pre-loosened a bunch of the screws just to make it a little bit more fluid.